This is just an experiment. We wanted to see what would happen if we let one, at the end of the day, when they're already nervous about going to bed, just go out in the yard and look around a little bit. So this is Brick. She's our best chicken, and she's rewarded by going out and looking for some clover. I think she's more nervous than anything else.
This has been going on, and it got better, now it's worse. Anyway, she's trying to stick kids and trying to stick. Let her in the service.
No, you're doing it now?
Yeah.
Try to claw on. Oh, not yet. No. How do you tell?
This went well enough with the first chicken, so we decided to let Attila also out. So now there's 2 chickens outside. Oh, and she just pooped in the yard. Great. Fertilizer for my dead grass. So a couple years ago down here at the soccer fields, I planted a 1.3 acre pollinator garden. And I think we're about a year past that, maybe 2. And it's just nice to see that even a couple years later that the wildflowers are still coming up. This is a nice little patch of, I think those are black-eyed Susans. We lost quite a few. There's a lot of tall grasses that have kind of taken over, but there are still wildflowers remaining, so it's still working for the pollinators. It's good to see. So for the second night in a row, we've let a few chickens out in the yard just to look for bugs and grass and clover and stuff. They're pretty happy. Ann stands guard with the rake, just making sure they don't run into the woods because we got no fence back there. But I don't think they would go anywhere. They don't really want to get too far away from their house, and they're perfectly happy. And that's Brick. She's wanting to see what Zach's got. It's kind of therapeutic to watch them roam around the yard and forage for stuff. Someday we'll probably get bold and let a couple more out, but for now 3's enough. You gotta herd them.